Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make thumbnail in the Picsart. So in order to make thumbnails on Picsart, we are going to first of all navigate to the Picsart application. Now after opening the application, you will see this interface where you can easily add your picture. So the first thing that we are going to do is click on edit a photo. I will choose simple background, that is this background option here. Now I will choose a color for my background, so it will be this color. Now after I choose the color, it will look something like this. Here, I'm going to click on the tools icon here. I'll click on crop, scroll to the right and choose YouTube because we are going to make YouTube thumbnail. Now, I'll click on tick icon at the top. This will show me a small black background. Now, after resizing and setting the dimensions, that is 1280 into 720 pixels, ideal for YouTube thumbnails. So the first thing that we are going to do is scroll to the right and click on add photos. After you click on add photos, it will show up your gallery where you'll have to choose a picture for your thumbnail. So I will choose two pictures for example purposes. Now I'll have to click on the picture that I want to crop, click on it, click on crop, then crop that picture. So make sure the picture is perfectly fit. Click on tick icon at the top, choose another picture, click on crop, click on tick icon at the top, and as you can see we have just cropped two images for our thumbnail. So I will adjust these pictures. So make sure the picture is perfectly fit on the screen. Now I'll edit the second picture and scroll it to the right and place it somewhere where it looks good. After adding your picture in the perfect ratio, you can click on the tick icon at the top right and it will show up that picture on your screen. Now I've added the black background because adding a background is always the safe path to add more elements and replace anything you don't want in the picture. Now, you will see your layers option at the top. You can see your current layer and the background for it. Now, after adding the picture that is the background for your thumbnail, what you're going to do is simply add images or cutouts. You can add more images or logos for product or the thumbnail. You can use the cutout tool to remove background from photos and place subjects prominently. Now, what we are going to do is insert text. You can scroll to the right, click on the text icon, enter your text. So I will type in top 5 places to visit in Ladakh. Now, I will have to choose the text color. So I will choose black. Now, we have successfully added this text that we had to add in our thumbnail. Now, I can click on the font icon and choose a font that will fit for this thumbnail. I can click on see all and add something like this, or I can do something like this. Top 5 places to visit in Ladakh. Now, I can click on the color icon and choose the color of my text. I will make it black because it looks good. Now, I can also choose to add gradient to my text by clicking on the gradient icon and choose to add gradient, but I don't want it. I can also click on texture and add texture to my text. I'll click on highlight. Now, this will add a background to your text. That will make your text easier to read. So click on highlight, you can choose shapes or color or texture. If I choose texture, I get to place textures on the back of my text like these. You can also choose shapes and add shapes like this. That also looks good. Now you can increase or decrease the size of this text. Now you can click on a stroke and add strokes to your text. The color of these strokes will look something like this that you're going to choose. So I will choose no color. Choose the spacing between these lines and characters. You can increase or decrease the opacity. You can blend these text. You can add a style to it. If you choose any text from these, you can also add perspective. Choose perspective and you can make your text appear something like this, but we are not going to do it. Now you can also add shadow by choosing shadow and blurring your photo like this. Now some shadow is appearing at the back of my text. You can choose to increase the blur or decrease it. But I'm not going to add shadows, so I'll cut this out. You can also bend your text by clicking on the bend icon and choose the bend amount, whether you want it to be at the bottom or something like this. You can adjust the bend. After this, you can add format and font size to your text. So we have added a background, a text. Now we can include stickers or icon. After you're done, click on the tick icon at the top, click on the cross. So scroll to the right on these tools, click on a sticker. Now you can go to the discover section and search for the kind of a sticker you want. So I'll search for mountains. Now I'm going to choose this sticker. I can add this sticker anywhere I want. So I'll add it here. Now as you can see, the text has been hidden by this sticker. I will click on layers icon and place my text at the top of this sticker that I just added. Now, as you can see, the text is also visible. Now I'll have to just adjust this sticker. I'll change the color of this text. Now my thumbnail is looking something like this. So after you have added stickers and elements like arrows, emojis or badges, you can place them strategically to highlight key parts of the thumbnail. Now you can click on the effects icon and you can choose some effects for your thumbnail that will look great, but these are available with the pro plans. You'll have to upgrade to a pro plan in order to get them. I'm going to cut this out. Scroll to the retouch section, scroll right, and here I'm going to click on tools and click on the adjust icon. Now I can easily adjust the amount of brightness that will be in my thumbnail. I can decrease or increase the contrast. I can choose to edit the clarity. I can choose the saturation levels. I can choose the hue of my thumbnail. I can choose shadows. I can do the highlights. And by doing this, I would have successfully added some final touches to my picture. Now I can click on tick icon at the top right. Now I will scroll down, click on the download icon at the top right. Here I can click on save as JPG. Now I'll have to click on save option after choosing the dimensions, after making sure the quality is 100% and click on save. Now after doing this, I can navigate back to my gallery, and as you can see, I have successfully made this thumbnail. Now I can navigate to my YouTube. I can go to my channel, select a video that I want to change the thumbnail for, click on the three-dotted icon, click on edit advanced setting in Studio, and easily add the thumbnail to my video. So that's how you make thumbnail Picsart. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.